What's going on, guys? Josh B. Spooling. Usually I'm behind the camera, but I got my guy Saw behind the camera. I just want to show you guys this intake I made for the center feeds. I know a lot of people go see fabricators and all that stuff. Sometimes you do have to, because if you have a full-size radiator, obviously it's got to come out somewhere else. But if you have a half rad like me, I got these right here. I made it pretty much, and I'm going to show you guys how it sits. Obviously, you can play with it, make the trunk, well, the V-stack stick out a little further or further in and have it flush with the bumper. Cut. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so the coupler is on right now. I put it on first. Don't mind my Mustang TPS. And then pretty much I just have this on. I'm going to have this all tight anyway. And then I slide it through the hole. Yes, you obviously have to cut your bumper. I cut mine. Don't mind the dirtiness. We haven't cleaned it yet, but I just stick it right in there, pull it up, line it with the coupler, get it in there. It's in. Boom, boom. And that's how it's gonna fit, guys. I think that thing looks phenomenal. But yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. Today's video. Quick look at it. Go ahead and get that cinematic now.